Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Xiaomi account. First, understand that deleting your account is a permanent action, so careful preparation is essential. Before you start, ensure you have disconnected all services linked to your Xiaomi account, such as cloud storage or smart home devices. Most importantly, back up any valuable data or files currently stored in your Xiaomi cloud, as they will be irreversibly lost upon deletion. To begin the deletion process, open the main settings application on your Xiaomi device. Scroll down and locate the Xiaomi account section, usually found near the top. Tap on this section to access your account details. Within this menu, you will typically find options related to security or account management. Selecting the correct option will lead you to further account controls necessary for proceeding with deletion. Inside the Security or Account Management section, look for an option clearly labeled Delete Account or Deactivate Account. Before proceeding, carefully read all the important information presented on the screen, particularly regarding the permanent loss of data and linked services. To confirm your identity and authorize the deletion, you will likely need to enter your account password or a verification code sent to your registered phone number or email address. After submitting your deletion request, you might encounter additional verification steps, such as confirming via a link sent to your registered email address. Be aware that Xiaomi often implements a waiting period, typically around 30 days, before the account is fully deleted. During this crucial waiting period, it is very important to avoid logging back into your Xiaomi account, as doing so might automatically cancel your deletion request, requiring you to restart the entire process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.